Egg and water.
What are we making?
We're making a birthday cake.
Whose birthday is it?
Daddy, need egg, oil, and water,
We need egg and oil and water.
and need to turn on that.
We need to what? Turn on the oven?
Yeah.
What's next? Turn down the oven. We need which one?
Egg and water, or oil and water.
All right, what are we going to put them all in?
In the bowl.
Can you get a bowl? And I'll get an egg. Did you get a bowl? What do we need to put in there?
A egg.
Here's one egg.
I can't crack it. You crack it.
Can you hold it? Now what?
Crack the egg. You crack the egg. And my hand will get wet.
You can't crack the eggs?
Yeah, my hands will get wet.
Can you help me?
I
How many?
1 and 2 and 3.
1,
Drug the road. 3,
2.
2,
And?
Mommy.
What are you making? Lucas, what are you making? Hey, show me what you're making.
We're making a cake.
Whose cake is it?
Daddy.
What's it for?
Daddy.
Daddy's what?
Daddy's birthday cake.
Oh. Lucas, what are we doing next?
We're doing this to the frost.
Lucas, what is that called?
It's called piping bag.
Piping bag? What should we put in there?
And then with this,
What is this?
it can squeeze. Put some more in there. And done. We're done.
I forgot. What is this called?
A piping bag. A piping bag. It's a piping bag.
Okay. Yep, I'll give them to you and you put them on.
You put them on. The redders. The redders.
Here. Here, I'll give you happy birthday, sir. Here. I'll give
Happy
'em to you.
birthday. Hello. Happy birthday to you, your daddy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, your daddy.